What grade are you in?
I'm in 3rd grade.
Okay, nice to meet you.
It's good to have you here.
Thank you.
They were waiting on the mayor. They've been waiting, they prepped. And when she walked, I just saw some of their eyes like, wow, she's actually here. We can show her our work. They were able to have that one-on-one small conversation with the mayor where they learned a lot about just her making history. The robots, we were provided robots by the district, and they are learning about coding and transferring it over to the robots. We're wanting kids to think deeply, to think critically.